Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text boxes to a report in Microsoft Access. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to display data, add labels, and customize your reports exactly the way you need them. Let's walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin creating your report. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so just give it a few seconds to ensure everything is properly loaded before moving forward. Now that Access is open and your database is ready, it's time to create a new form where you'll add your text boxes. Click on the Create tab located at the top part of your screen. This tab is essentially your command center for building new objects in Access, whether it's forms, reports, or queries. From the options available in the Create tab, look for Blank Form and click on it. This will open up a fresh form layout where you can start building your design from scratch. Here's where the process becomes straightforward. Once the form layout appears on your screen, you'll notice a new section called Form Layout Design in the ribbon. This section contains several elements and controls that you can use to build your form. Look for the text box icon among these elements. It's typically represented by a simple box with the letters A, B, or similar text inside. Click on the text box icon to select it. After selecting the text box tool, simply drag your cursor across the Form Layout Designer where you want the text box to appear. As you drag, you'll see the text box taking shape on your form. Release your mouse button, and your text box will be added to the form. You can resize it by dragging the edges, move it around to position it exactly where you need it, and even add multiple text boxes by repeating this same process. And that's it. You've successfully added text boxes to your report in Microsoft Access. This simple technique gives you the foundation to create more complex and informative reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.